Hey guys, I promise you I'd make a video of how to make a playlist. So yeah, let's get into it. So I realized this is 4 playlists. My liked videos, I made a K-pop playlist, I made a song playlist, parody playlist, and you guys can see when you guys updated it and how much videos are in there. You guys can play it by clicking this simple button, and then you guys can edit it, just a pencil, delete it, share, and I'm not sure what that does, but oh yeah, it loads the playlist. Or you can just click that.
New video, yeah? Make sure you have the video with
also sort it by, most popular or whatever. So now I'm just gonna go to my songs. As you guys can see, I have a lot of songs. Go to sort, most popular. Yeah, of course. And then most popular, whatever, blah blah. Only depends on you guys. Then K-pop. I exactly know it's gonna, be. Pretty sure. Yeah, I might drop, of course. But yeah, now I'm gonna show you how to make a playlist. So just go on around the video, pause it, whatever, and then let's go add to playlist. You see that? Just click on it. So you're gonna create new playlist. Cause I'm just gonna show you why you have to do this. Cause if you go to playlist, you can't create anything. I don't know how to do anything. So the best way to do it is you go in a video, you add it, and create new playlist. And then put a name, my favorite videos. I don't know, it's up to you. You guys can see the list. And go to your channel. Oh gosh. You can go to your channel and go to playlist. Or you guys can go to library. These are your playlists. So for now, I'm just going to go to my channel and go to playlist. See, there it is. I'm not going to delete this because it's just only a demonstration. And yeah, that's how you make a playlist. If you guys enjoyed, smash the like button and peace out.